my dog being a twat. Oh, man. Oh, the other one came out all smooth. This one's being a fucking bitch. Okay. Up. I'm trying to get this car done today. I hope I do, because I have to go install an oil pan for somebody. I'm going to hold it with my nail. Be really careful with your wires, because if you're not careful with your wires, you're going to fuck some shit up. You do not want to fuck anything up here. So I'm going to hold this here. Okay, I think I got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up, up. Up. Having a really hard time doing this, huh? Interesting. Not for long, not for long. Not for long, because you know what? I'm too far. So I think I managed to get it. Nope, not at all. Some dudes get this like in 2 seconds, you know, like I did that first plug. Well, not me. Not me. It takes me 50 fucking years. Look at that. Jeez Louise. Anyway, here it is. So here is 10 and 12. Okay. This is C1. Oh, I'm sorry. That's B10 and B12. Okay. So you're switching these over, these two, orange and yellow. I mean, orange and white, to these two empty spaces down here. Okay. So it's C1, C2. Okay, because it goes odd numbers, even numbers, right? So you do, it's basically the same concept here. So you go even numbers down here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. See? So now let's work on the extremely tricky part and extremely dangerous part when it comes to wire harnesses. Here, let me move this out of the way because this is going to be commotion. So check this shit out right here. So the easiest way for me to do it, that I've been able to see has been easiest, is the fucking super janky way. So the super janky way is using a whatever the fuck this is, sewing needle, but you put it in this hole here, and you kind of go all the way to the end, and then you angle it in the direction of whatever plug you're pulling out, of whatever pin you're pulling out, and you go in. Right? And once that's in, you can pull your wire out. Hard to grip. Sorry folks, give me a minute. My fingers are already hurting. I don't want to damage that wire. See, I already bit it up. I'm going to have to cover that up and solder the bitch. See what that was, the bottom one here. Yeah, no. Okay, so apparently I didn't insert it all the way. So pull it back out. There you go. Oh, I did. It was just stuck in between. Okay, cool. So this is it here. C1, C2. This is the part that you have to pay attention. This little top part, this has to go up again before you insert it into this port, or else it's not going to click into place, right? So C1, C2. So this is C1. C1 is blue-green, I believe. Yeah, C1's blue. Let me double check. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, folks. C1 is blue-green, which is this bad boy right here. So remember, like I had mentioned, you have to go back here. Go back here. You have to prop this bitch up all over again. Not super far, but just enough so it locks in its tab, like right there. So now it's ready to go back in there. So I will insert that in a minute. I just need to pull out that bottom one too, that white one, and I don't want to pull it out and insert another one because I risk damaging that new pin that I just had in there. Plus I wanted to repair this, or at least cover it with some tape, because I had to grip it with pliers, and when you grip something with pliers, you can I'm just gonna go over it with tape just to grab the ends of it. But anyway, check this out. So you go to the end here, right? In. Once you go in, it's still locked into place. Let's do that again. Very finicky work. Very finicky work. If you're not familiar with it, be careful. Okay, so. Okay. There we go. See, that one came out all cherry berry. Okay, that one came out all cherry berry. Now I can go about installing these other ones. So I'll wait to install these last. Wrap them around here. So we said C1, right? C1, which is blue-green. I'm gonna pop this up here. This is a locking tab. You gotta be real careful here too, because if you fuck that up, you're gonna be pissed. So this one, you do the bottom one first, which is C2. Nice and locked. And this is C1. Nice and locked and ready to rock and roll. See? Fucking perfect, dude. Fucking perfect. So now that we got those taken care of, we basically stretch these out a little bit. I need to put a little piece of tape around this because I'm weary about it. It looks fine, huh? But still, I got some tape right here, and I have with me some scissors. I'm gonna cut a piece off and just lightly wrap it around the exposed area. If it's not even that exposed and you really don't have anything to worry about and you're just being a paranoid fuck like I am, I'm very paranoid when it comes to electrical work. So I have to be real careful. Me. That's just me, though. That's my preference. That's me. It's me. Some people like fucking spaghetti with pineapples in it. I don't know fucking why, but they do. They're fucking weirdos. Some people don't, man. That's me. Okay. Alright, so now that we got this here too, we take a look at this plug here, and we start figuring out where we're gonna connect these right here. Okay, so this is C1, C2. Remember what we said? It's odds and evens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So I'm gonna see where to connect these two, right? Okay, blue and blue red. 1 second. Intermission. So here we are. So now we go back to doing what we first originally said we were gonna do. Right? Always remember to pull this fucking little tab up right here, because if you don't pull this fucking little tab up and you're not careful about it, one, it's gonna look like shit. 2, it's not gonna connect. And 3, you're gonna have to fucking pull this shit all over again, and sometimes they don't connect because you're a fucking careless bastard about it, and you just break it. Because this is really fucking fragile right here. It's a super thin aluminum. Okay, so we do here. Now we do this one. Bro, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Holy smokes. Where the hell? There we go. Up under. Pull the whole fucking thing up like that. Now that you got it up a little bit, go up here. Now I brought an extra plug out of another SI that I had, just for example, you know, so people would know. If this is your first time doing this multi-point conversion, you do the same. Pull plugs off, dude, so you know what the fuck's going on, right? So this is another plug off of another SI. You just, you know, match it the same. See, off an SI, you look at that and you're like, oh, cool, man. So those two empty ones, 10, 12, you think, okay, cool. Orange and yellow. I mean, orange and white. Where the fuck do I keep getting yellow from? Orange and white, right? So you run this orange wire here. Let's see here. A bit of a bitch, but it's cool. You run it here. You go. Oh. Okay. Orange. Now we do white. So it's gonna be OG2 here. Oh my goodness. One thing is you don't want to do is you don't want to break shit, you know? You just gotta be really careful with these fucking plastic connectors, because they suck so much dick sometimes, dude. It's retarded. It'll make your ex-girlfriend look like a fucking saint, bro. Jeez. Bring this, tilt it forward, and go in with it.